Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DaVinci Resolve for color grading workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Navigate to the project settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom right corner. In the Master Settings tab, ensure your timeline resolution matches your desired output. Set the timeline frame rate to the rate you shot your footage. Next, head to the Color Management section. Choose Color Science and set it to DaVinci YRGB. Select the timeline color space that corresponds with your camera's output. Under Output Color Space, choose a space suited for your project's delivery format. Click Save to apply these settings. Next, import your footage into the media pool. Right-click on your clips and select Clip Attributes to ensure the correct frame rate is set. Open the Color workspace by clicking on the Color page at the bottom. In the Color page, familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available. Start by balancing your shots using the lift, gamma, and gain controls for shadows, midtones, and highlights. Create nodes for different adjustments by right-clicking in the node editor. For primary corrections, use the first node to adjust exposure and contrast. Use additional nodes for secondary corrections, such as color grading specific areas of your image. Utilize the color wheels and the curves editor to make precise adjustments. Experiment with the qualifiers tool to isolate colors you want to modify. Check your work using the scopes panel to ensure proper exposure and color balance. If you wish to create looks, consider using LUTs for cinematic effects. Save any custom LUTs you develop for future projects. As you grade, frequently toggle the viewer to compare before and after adjustments. Once satisfied, move to the Deliver page to export your footage. Select your desired format and resolution in the export settings. Verify the render settings, ensuring they match your project's specifications. Click Add to Render Queue and then start the render process. As your project renders, review your workflow to identify any areas for improvement. After rendering, review the final output to ensure quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.